what God cannot do does not exist. So means I've done my makeup for 6 minutes. A light shade from yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abisayo. If this is your first time seeing any of my videos, you're very welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. It's been long I posted any video, and let's just say I'm back by God's grace. I'm going to be more consistent. Jesus. Okay, so in this particular video I just filmed a tutorial of this look I'm wearing. I did it in like 15 minutes, and this is a look that you can rock every day, like to work, to class, to church, like I'm doing now. I'm going to church. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, comment too. Thank you very much. So guys, this is literally almost 7, and I have to be out of the house in 15 minutes, max 20 minutes. So I'm going to try to do my makeup in 20 minutes, in less than 20 minutes. So if you want to just see, and let you know that you can actually do something nice in less than 20 minutes, actually in like 15 minutes, then continue watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, please. I promise I'll not run away again. Please, pinky promise. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be priming. I already moisturized, so I'm not moisturizing. And plus, this is a very simple look. This is a look that you don't need too much product. I think I'm going to be using just about 6 or 7 products, so I'm not moisturizing. Like, I just use my normal skincare oil and stuff, so I'm not going to be moisturizing. I'm just going to be priming. So I'm using this Mehron Touch Up Anti-Shine. It's a very strong primer, so I'm just going to be using it in areas that I get really oily, and I'm just using it in tiny bits. So if you see me looking up, I'm just looking at the mirror, so forgive me in advance. So I'm using on my nose, my brow. I'm just using very tiny bits. You can almost not see what I'm using, safe. My, what they call this place, cheekbone or cheek shaft. Those are places I really get oily. I'm not using under my eye because this thing is very matte. Then my chin. Alright. So another tip for a very matte look is to do powder before foundation. So I'm just going to use this powder all over my face. So it actually helps my foundation stay more matte, including my brows. So next thing I'm going to do is draw my brows. So I'm using my all-time fave, beautylinebydidi. I'm just going to brush through my brows. So I'm not concealing my brows. Like I said, this is a very fast makeup. I'm not concealing. Actually, should I say I'm not concealing? I'm concealing, but I'm not highlighting. That's the word. So I'm not using a concealer to clean up my brows. I'm going to use my foundation. This mirror is quite far from me. Oh Jesus, I can't see what I'm doing. Let me get this small. I'm using my V-Beauty foundation in V Chestnut. What kind of content should you be expecting? Expect DIY videos. Expect a couple of makeup tutorial videos. Then okay, just normal gist, sit down gist. I'm trying to get a hang of, you know, vlogs and stuff, but I'm still on it. If I'm able to, though eventually I will, but I don't know how soon that's going to be. Also, we'll talk about Jesus, like practical things regarding our spirituality as young ladies or young people. My channel is not only for ladies, so young people and business, you know, just general things. Yeah. So as we continue, we'll see what we are going to focus more on, depending on what you guys like actually. So please, as I put out content and you watch, let me know what you enjoy the most, because that's what's going to determine more of what I'm going to be putting out. So yeah. Hey, what's the time? I'm so on point. The time is 7:06, so means I've done my makeup for 6 minutes. I'm going to end up doing this makeup in 10 minutes. What God cannot do does not exist. My father. All right, don't let me say because there's time and then I should now slow down. So I'm just making sure that my makeup is well blended to avoid sister beside. What's this on your face? Kamaribi. So yeah, I'm just making sure that my makeup is well blended. Yeah, so I'm satisfied with it. So next thing I'm going to do now is take that same powder palette I used earlier, and I'm just going to use a light shade from devil is a liar. So I'm just going to take a light shade from there and just do a subtle highlight, right, just under my eye. My chin, the bridge of my nose. This is not straight though. Make my nose no go dey look like they give me blue for nose. So, and that's it. Then I'll be taking a darker shade to just do a subtle contour as well. I'm using the same brush because sometimes I can't even stand up and start looking for contour brush. So yes, I'm using the same. Don't judge me. Okay, so I'm just using that to contour subtly. So now I'm taking my own shade. And I'm just putting it on the other areas of my face where I've not powdered. So I'm not going to dust off my highlights yet. I'm just going to quickly finish my lips, just so that my skin can take in that lighter shade of powder a bit, just so that the highlights can, you know, pop small. So basically I'm just trying to press in my powder, because that's the correct way. You push it in so that it locks in, you get? Blend to your neck. Oh, you're not wearing a mask. So, and your hairline too. All right, so lipstick now. I'm using the Imagic lip palette. Now I'm just taking a brown shade to line my lips. I have fine lips, have you noticed? Allow me to feel myself. My number one hype woman. Hype yourself, oh baby girl. Because if you don't hype yourself, nobody will hype you. So hype yourself first before you start expecting other people to hype you. And I'm going to use this nude shade. Hey, I said I don't want the lip palette to show, and I'm raising it up. I feel like I've done rubbish with my lips, but we move. So I'm using a lip gloss over it because I'm a lip gloss person. I love it. I'm using this Zaron. The name of P, but I'm using this Zaron lip gloss in Sugar Plum. It's one of my favorites. On another day, I'll put plenty. But we're going to church. Still, we don't do too much. I'm not going to clean up the edges. I'm not trying to go for a full lip look. Alright. So next thing, mascara. And I'm using the Zaron mascara too. That 4-in-1, I've been a 5-in-1. I can't remember. But that's what I'm using, and it does like a very amazing work. Is there anybody that uses mascara without opening their mouth? Let me try not to open my mouth. Okay, I did it. I didn't open my mouth. Okay, just going in with my powder. I'm just tossing off that on that. Actually, I'm pressing it in because I still want it to pop a bit, but not too much. So I'm just using my normal shade. I'm using my normal shade to press it in. I've been talking like I have a microphone on, and I don't. I hope the audio of this video is not going to be bad, because I think I've been talking quite low. So yeah, there we have it. All right, so guys, I actually put off a particular light just to see what my lighting looks like, and then I didn't remember to check what it looks like. So I hope the lighting of this video is not bad at all. I just really hope so. Okay, now I wasn't supposed to do this here though. I was supposed to use my spray first. So I'm using this, and this thing chokes, but it works.
And that's it for this look, guys. I almost did not upload this video because my lighting was bad and a lot of things just didn't want me to upload it, but then here we are. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you learned anything. Thank you. See you on my next one. Kisses.